Ever wondered if a toothbrush could change your life? Meet the Suri toothbrush, a blend of elegance and efficiency. Customers rave about its sleek design and beautiful green color, making it a high-quality addition to their daily routine. The brush head is soft and gentle on gums, yet powerful enough to leave teeth feeling dentist clean. With a battery life that lasts over 40 days, it's a game changer for those tired of frequent charging. The travel case, equipped with UV light, sanitizes the toothbrush on the go, adding a layer of convenience. Suri's lightweight design and minimal packaging make it perfect for travel without the bulk. The ergonomic feel and solid build quality ensure a comfortable brushing experience every time. Customers appreciate the sustainability aspect, with compostable and recyclable materials used in the brush heads. Despite its many positives, some users have mixed feelings about its functionality, with occasional issues reported. The toothbrush's cleaning effectiveness is highly praised, especially in hard-to-reach areas. Two cleaning modes offer a customized brushing experience, gentle on gums but thorough on teeth. The UV light in the case not only sanitizes but also charges the toothbrush, making it highly efficient. Many users love the quiet operation and the nice weight, making it a pleasure to use. The sleek design and minimalistic approach reduce counter space usage, adding to its appeal. Customers find the brush head softness surprising, yet effective in cleaning teeth thoroughly. The repairable nature of the toothbrush adds to its long-term value, though some are unsure how it works. The lightweight design is appreciated, especially for those who travel frequently. The sustainable and recyclable brush heads are a hit among environmentally conscious users. Some users report issues with the case not working properly without being plugged in. Despite a few negative reviews, many are happy with the purchase and look forward to years of reliable service. The toothbrush's ability to clean and massage gums effectively is a standout feature. The minimalistic and thoughtful packaging adds to the overall premium feel of the product. The travel case's UV light feature is a pleasant surprise for many users. The toothbrush's slim housing and lighter weight make it a favorite among users. The magnetic stand for wall or mirror mounting is a convenient addition. The two cleaning modes and quiet operation enhance the overall user experience. The recyclable brush heads and sustainable design are major selling points. Some users find the toothbrush stops working after a few months, leading to frustration. The toothbrush's superior cleaning performance leaves users' teeth feeling cleaner and gums invigorated. The long battery life is a significant advantage, reducing the need for frequent charging. The toothbrush's design and functionality make it a great gift option. Suri combines great performance, eco-friendliness, and a premium feel, making it highly recommended. Buy today https://amzn.to/41fsevo